Dito tayo sa Jollibee. Hi, Ma.
Birthday Noah. 7th birthday.
Ito, inaayos pa lang. Saan tingin mo sa sulat mo? Hi, guys. Happy birthday. Okay. What can you say about your brother?
Noisy.
Yan, inaayos na nila yung ano. Yan, yung pangalan ni Noah. Yan.
Pag dito hindi pwede.
Ito yung pinagawa. Ito ba yung pinagawa? Oh. Noah. Balloons. Oh. Diba? Ito yung cake. Cake ni Noah. Cake. Jolly Town. Happy birthday, Noah. Ano yan, Mom?
Ano kaya?
Ano?
Kaso nakalimutan po natin yung box eh. Yung box.
Yung mga bata dito na lang upo na sa harap.
Oo yata.
Ganun ba ang setup?
Ayun, sige, lagay mo natin. Rishi? Oh, let's picture. Hi, wait. So,はい、こっち見て。ちょっと待って。写真を。はい、はい、チーズ。2個。なんかしてないで。はい、チーズ。
Okay. What can you say about the...
大丈夫だよ、ほら。ほら。ほら。じゃあ面白い顔してだって面白い顔。せーの。変な顔していいよ。面白い顔してに。じゃあピースでピースでピースで。
Happy birthday, no boy.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Walking. Okay, 1, 2, 3, walking.
And wait lang guys, before that, balita ko meron ba po tayong special guest ngayon. Ayan. Alright now, guys, please welcome our best friends, Jollibee! Ayan, hello Jollibee! Alright, hello Jollibee, welcome sa birthday party ni Noah. Ayan. Ayan, napaaga yung pasok ni Jollibee. Hello Jollibee! Ayan. Ayan, hello Jollibee! Alright, wait lang Jollibee, since nandiyan ka na rin. Ayan, kakantahin muna natin ng happy birthday si Noah. Na? Sige po. Alright Jollibee, sama-sama. Ready? Let's sing guys! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. birthday celebration. Ayan, sige po. Alright, now, Mommy and Daddy,
Ready?
ready guys, in 1, 2, 3, smile. One more, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Alright, thank you very much. Now we will start this birthday party celebration by the first game. Ayan. Alright, thank you very much, Jollibee. Now guys, first game tayo for the kids. That's what we call Build a Jolly Tower. Ayan, Build a Jolly Tower tayo. Ay, paano po palaruin yun, Kuya Eddie? Ganito lang siya, kids. Now, listen first. First step for building a Jolly Tower and 3, 2, 1, and go. Ayan, go. Let's start it off first and let's go. First layer here. Ayan, go. Let's build first layer. 1, 2, 3. And a second layer. Go. Ayan, go. Let's build first layer. 1, 2, 3. Second layer. 3 and a second layer. Ready, 1. Alright, go faster. Let's go. Last layer. Go. Alright, go. Shake. Wait, back to that. Go. Alright, go. Let's go here. Alright, go. Faster. Sige po, let's go, guys. Alright, go. 1, 2, 3. Second layer. Ayan, go faster. Yes. Alright, last layer. Go. Shake. Do the shake. Do it. Go. Ready, who's next layer here? Ayan, go. Let's go. Alright, go. 1, 2, 3. And then second layer, last layer. Shake. Ready, back down. Go. Alright, ready, guys. See you next layer, guys. Go faster. And go faster, guys. Go. Alright, last layer here. Go. Shake. Go. Back down. Go. Ready, go faster. Go. Ayun. Wait, tapusin natin si ate. Go. Shake. And then go. Shake. Alright, bumalik ate ka. Go. Alright, guys. Now here, everybody let's shout happy birthday, Noah. And 3, 2, 1. Ayan, pala mga player. Sino yung winner? Saan yung winner dito? Sige pa, bigyan muna natin ang prizes yung mga winner. Let's get ready. Let's take a picture. Ready? Pinakamagandang smile. Ready? And 1. Ayan, sige po. Ready, guys? And 1, 2, 3. Smile, guys. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Walkie.
Alright, guys. Walkie. 1, 2, 3. Walkie. 3, 2, 1. Ayan, thank you very much, guys. Ayan, now guys, it's time to say goodbye na po tayo para kay Jollibee. Goodbye, Jollibee. Ayan, goodbye, best friend. Ayan, see you ulit mamaya. Ayan, goodbye, Jollibee. Ayan. Ay, see you ulit mamaya, Jollibee. Ayan, okay na siguro yan. Okay na. Ayan, si Kuya. Kuya, wait lang. Pahiram muna natin si Daisy. Ayan, sige po. Ayan po pa. Nako, ayaw mo lumayo. Ayan, okay na. Kuya, ikaw yung nasa harap na. Ikaw yung first player nila tsaka si ate. Okay na ba, ate? Paano mo ano ba? Ayan, okay na yan. Okay na. Wait, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Noah!
Ano, lower pa. Oo, kailangan mo lower. Happy birthday, Noah. Ganun siya. Ready? And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Noah!
Ayun, okay na yung pala po ka naman pura doon ang ating tips. Pero sa boys, kailangan mas lower pa, no? Ready, Kuya? And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Noah!
Ayun, ganun mo. Pala po ka naman pura doon ang ating mga boys and girls, get ready and playing. Rolling A and 3, 2, 1. Wala pang go, wala pang go. Wait lang. Wala pa, ready pa lang. Ready? Ready guys and playing. Rolling A and 3, 2, 1 and go.
Ayan, go. Ikot muna tayo. Ikot. Faster.
Ikot muna tayo. Go. Bell. W ng doctor.
Ayan, atras tayo. Atras.
Sige po.
Ayan, let's go. Faster tayo. Okay, ikot. Ayan, spell.
W ng doctor.
Ayan, atras tayo. Atras. Ayan, let's go.
Ay, sakto na tayo. Practice pa lang yun.
Yan, practice pa lang.
Wait, practice pa lang yun. Wala na. Wait, nagulo kasi. Nagulo sila. 2, 1, and go.
Ayan, go. Ikot.
Faster. And
Bell.
ng doctor.
Ayan, atras.
Faster.
Ayan, go. Ikot. Yes, bell. Ayan, atras. Ikot. National ID, meron pa tayo dyan.
National ID dito mag-ayos ko. Ready? 1, 2.
National ID. Ayan,
Alright guys, next item. Ready? Now bring me senior ID naman.
Ayan, senior ID. Wala yung kila Lolo at Lola.
Sino ba yung senior ID?
Ayan, let's go, Daddy. Ayan. Ayan, senior ID.
Ano bibigyan natin ko, Daddy? Sige po. Here, Daddy. Alright, thank you very much. Next item tayo, guys. Get ready.
Ayan, next item tayo. Bring me 1,000 peso bill yung bago. Ayan yung bago dapat.
Alright, bago 1,000 here. Ayan, isa yan. Sino may 1,000?
Ayan, let's go, ate.
Ang dami naman yan. Ay, okay na. Isa lang. Alright guys, next item. Ready now, bring me. How about nail cutter?
Ayan, may nabawal pa ng nail cutter siya.
Sino ba yan?
Ayan, nag-iisa lang yung nail cutter. Ayan, Ayan, pahirapan naman natin ang konti, Kuya Chris.
Ayun, harapan daw po natin ang konti. Pero yung prices niya doble dapat. No, sige po. Ayun, bigyan natin ng dalawang prices. Ready guys? Next item tayo.
Ayan, next item tayo. Bring me, pustiso naman. Ayan, may maglalaman ka ng pustiso. Ayan, patingin natin kay Mami. Ayan, Mami. Nasaan, Mami? Wala. Ayun si Mami, meron.
Ay, well, seryoso.
Yan dapat yung kamay mo. Ayan, dapat kakamayin mo.
Hindi. Nasaan ba? Nasaan yung mga
Ayan, patingin lang. Ayan,
ang dami joke lang yun. Ayan guys, next item. Alright guys, next item. Now bring me sinton or belt.
Ayan, dapat yung nakatanggal na belt.
Ayan, nasa na sinton belt guys. Ate, ayan na. Ito. Ayan, lupa ko nga yun. Ready guys, next item. Coin.
Ayan, 20 pesos mo naman. Ayan, asan yung mga coins?
Sino na coins dyan?
Nasaan? Ayan, dalawa. Ayan, tatlo. Asan, ang dami? 4.
Meron ba ba?
Ayan, meron pa ba?
Sino ba?
Okay, wala na. 4 sila.
Ayan, apat. Bigyan natin ang prices ng apat na player.
Full name po ni Noah. Ayan, full name po sila nakakaalam.
Ay, full name ni Noah, si Kuya Jo. Anong full name ni Noah?
Hendrik Noah Zalon.
Siya po ba, mami? Ayan. Ayun, una pa rin. Parang nawa ka siya mag-isa at nawa na yung exact birthday. Ayan, with you, Rapan. Exact birthday. Basic lang yan. Ayan, go si ate. Go.
January 10, 2017.
Yes! Tama ba, mami? Ayan.
January 20, 2018.
Ayun, January 20, 2018. Ate, sayang. Next question tayo, guys. Ready? Next question natin. Ready?
Ayan, next question po. Sino man dito nakakaalam kung saan siya ipinanganak? Ayan, exact location po tayo.
Go!
Ayan, alam mo din kuya?
Feeling...
Hindi daw siya. Ayan, sino? Hula tayo. Ayan, meron ba nakakaalam? Ayan si kuya.
Japan.
Saan sa Japan? Maluwag yung Japan.
Tokyo.
Saan sa Tokyo?
Ay, sige, para malaman din nila. Ha? Tama ba, mami? Tama. Ayun. Na pinapanood din naman sa Japan.
Hindi naman nahalata.
Sa YouTube.
Hindi naman nahalata.
Favorite na kung pinapanood sa favorite character niya. Ha? Yung hindi mo nanalo
Iba naman yung kids ka na hindi ba nanalo?
Winner na kayo.
Ayan.
Ano? Yung hindi mo
Ayan, sa side na to. Wala ba nakakaalam sa side na to?
Favorite character niya, favorite na pinapanood sa YouTube. Meron ba nakakaalam?
Sige lang talaga yung best friend.
Kaibigan natin. Tanong natin. Ala, hindi pala. Ano?
Minecraft.
Ay, parang hindi naman.
Hindi man obvious eh. Hindi man siya obvious.
Oo, hindi naman Ayan, tama ako lang. Ayan. Alright guys, last question na tayo dito. Last question natin. Ready guys? Ngayon po, sino pong nakakalam dito ng favorite food ni Noah sa Jollibee? Ano? Meron ba? Meron ba? Ano? Wala na. Eh, meron ba nakakaalam? Hula na lang guys. Oo, go.
Ayan, meron daw, meron.
Tanong natin ngayon, mami, meron po ba siyang favorite food sa Jollibee? Meron po.
Ayan, meron. Ayan, siguro na lang talaga. Siguro na lang talaga yung may alam.
Hindi ba kapatid ni Kuya no?
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets! Tama ka rin siya.
Hindi siya. Ayan, iba naman.
Hindi daw chicken nuggets. Ayan, go.
Mami, may sausage ba sa Jollibee?
Sushi daw, sushi.
Ala, may sausage sa Jollibee.
Wala, sushi sa Jollibee. Sa Jollibee lang. Sige, tanong natin. Sa Jollibee lang.
Sa Jollibee lang po tayo, sa Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Hindi rin. Ayan.
Chicken joy.
Jollibee Chicken Joy, hindi rin daw.
French fries.
Jollibee French fries. Ay, inulaan mo yung ano.
Ice cream, hindi rin. Ayan.
Burger steak.
Jollibee,
Hindi rin. Ayan, nasan ba? Ay, kapatid to eh, kapatid. Ayan.
Ayan, go. Sino?
Ayan, sino?
Si Ate daw sa likod sa ate.
Sino daw, sino? Sino dito? May alam ba dito? Ayan, yung burger. Fish burger ba yung burger?
Wala ka na.
Si Lola.
Go muna na.
Jolly hot dog.
Jolly Hot Dog! Go naman ako ni Mami. Jolly Hot Dog daw po.
Gusto na ng laro eh.
Short message for Noah's birthday, ma'am.
Hello Noah, happy birthday. Nung last kita nakita baby ka pa ngayon, super big boy ka na. Good health and lagi kang be always good boy sa parents mo. Happy birthday.
Ay, wala si Power.
Now let's move on to Tito Iggy.
Hello, Noah. This is from Tita Pao. This one. Yeah. And then this one, nasa Japan pa lang yung tatay mo. Ito yung kinukulit na sa akin. So, ito na yung binili ko sa'yo. So, hopefully, when you grow, you'll be like your dad. Very humble, mabait, loving, and family-oriented person. Happy birthday!
Picture taken po tayo together with Noah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. And walking. 1, 2, 3, walking. Alright, thank you so much po. Next one, kay Auntie Jenjen. Hi Noah, happy birthday! Ayan. Nung nakasama ka namin, nakita namin talaga na super thoughtful mo, baby boy. And I declare na mag-good boy ka pa paglaki mo. Ayan, maging communicate lahat. And also, syempre, maging godly boy. Ayan, godly man pagdating ng panahon. Happy birthday, Noah! Ayan, ito yung gift. Simple gift lang to, pero I hope magustuhan mo.
Thank you po.
Hi, Noah. Happy birthday. God bless. I love you. Picture taking po tayo together with Noah. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. And 1. Ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3, smile. Now let's go to the 7 blue bills. 7 blue bills symbolize the gesture of goodwill and prosperity for the birthday celebrant. First one, may call on Auntie Alice.
Happy birthday!
Noah, happy birthday! I wish you many, many more, and may all your wishes come true. God bless you, and I know you'll be a good boy when you grow up. Happy birthday! So here, this is from Ima, Apo Ima, and this is from me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Picture taking po tayo together with Noah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Happy birthday, Noah. I wish you grow up to be a good man, and God bless you always. Alam kita parang Tita Dina.
Happy birthday, Noah. Kahit ngayon lang tayo nagkita. Ang gwapo-gwapo mo. Always be a good boy. God bless.
Mas po sila dito, Reggie.
Roxy lang, Roxy.
Hello, in behalf of your name, Reggie, I'll be the one to give you this review. My Lola's wish for you, Noah. Sana manatili kang mag-talk. May you grow up with a God-fearing person, and may you grow up with God's grace. I love you. Happy birthday!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. And one more walking. 1, 2, 3, walking. And last one for the 7 boobies, may call on Nico.
slow. Konnichiwa, Noah. Otanjobi o medetou, Noah.
Tuloy mo na, tuloy mo. Yun lang, yun lang.
Alright, ready everyone? Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. And one more walkie. 1, 2, 3, walkie. Alright, thank you so much. Now let's proceed on the 7 chocolates. First one, we call on Auntie Kana. A short message for Berdine Soga. No. Happy birthday, Noah. Genkiになってくれれば何よりです。はい。I call on Uncle AJ.
Birthday, Noah. God bless.
Let's proceed of Ate Angel.
Otanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. Noah-kun, 大きくなったら何になりたい？あ、わかった。スパイダーマン？スパイダーマンになりたいでしょ？ねえ。じゃあ、スパイダーマンになったら遊ぼう。ありがとう。
And picture po muna tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. And one, let's call on Lola Sonia.
Happy birthday po, Noah. Love you.
Noah, ready? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. And alright, now I call on Lola Jane.
Happy birthday, Noah. God bless. Yun lang. Kasabi na lang.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, now I call on all 7 chocolates. Dito po muna tayo sa harap. Picture taking po muna tayo together with our birthday celebrant, Noah. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. And one more walkie. 1, 2, 3, walkie.
Kaya di ko na papatagalin pa, pinakikilala ko na ang bida ng saya at ang best friend ng lahat. Wala iba kundi si Jollibee! Ayan, welcome back, Jollibee! Alright. Ayan, namalo po ulit ang ating best friend. Ayan ako, Jollibee! Mommy and Zari, together with Noah. Dito po muna ulit tayo sa harap. Ayan, sige po. Alright lang, Mommy and Zari. Dito po muna tayo sa harap. Sige po. Ayan. And so now guys, my request, all of you to please stand up. Sabay-sabay po muna ulit natin kakasahan ng happy birthday si Noah. And I'm makulang na candle na rin.
Ayan, sige po, tayo muna tayo lahat.
Wait lang, Jollibee. And now guys, ready? Let's sing again. Ready? Happy birthday. Ayan, sige po. Ano naman mga Mami and Daddy, dito po muna ulit tayo sa okay, sige po. Ay, ngayon po, maririnig naman po natin ang burning message nila for Noah. Ayan, sige po, Mami, what is your burning message for Noah?
Noah, Tanjo, happy birthday. My only wish to Noah is to have a very good health and strong body, always. Noah, Mama and Papa will always here for you no matter what. I love you very much.
Ayan. Ano yung sila naman?
Noah, sana lumaki ka ng maayos, tsaka madasal. Sana hindi ka magkasakit. I love you so much.
Ayan. Alright, how about si ate? Meron po ba siyang birthday message for Noah?
Happy birthday, Noah. I love you.
No.
You will always be my brother.
Ayan. Palapakan naman po natin sila. Thank you very much. Ayan. Dito tayo na kay Jollibee. Of course, Jollibee's have a surprise for Noah. Jollibee, here, what is your last surprise? What is your first surprise for Noah? Jollibee, first surprise, ano yun, Jollibee? Ayan, wait lang. Yung ano, kinahanap niya. Alright, what is that, Jollibee? Alright, may gift pa na po ang ating best friends. Thank you very much, Jollibee. And the second surprise of Jollibee for Noah. Meron kang 1, 2, 3 birthday wishes for Noah. Alright, the first wish of Jollibee for Noah, it is the strong and healthy. Yeah.
The second wish of Jollibee for Noah is to grow up, always madasalin sa Diyos.
Alright, and the last wish of Jollibee for Noah is to grow up, always jolly, always happy like Jollibee. Alright, thank you very much, Jollibee. Alright, here, Jollibee, what is your last surprise for Noah? Jollibee? Ano yun, Jollibee? Ano yung last surprise mo?
Hindi yan.
Ayan si Kuya Noah, Jollibee. Ayan. Alright, here, Jollibee, what is your last surprise? Jollibee? Ayan, sasayaw mo rin mo ang ating last friends. Now, Jollibee, let's dance. Get ready.
Dance ka?
Alright, na po, Jollibee, get ready. Let's dance. Before that, palapakan naman po muna natin ang ating best friends. Go, Jollibee!
Hindi na nga mapakali. Tara na, doon na nga ang pinta. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag hindi ang saya. Dito tayo, just delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious ang saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, tila ang saya. Dito lahat bida, pinagsamang saya't sarap. Sige na, sayo na. Labas lahat ng bibig, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Handa ng feeling, kapag tila ang saya. Dito tayo, delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, delicious ang saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, tila ang saya.
Alright, thank you very much, Jollibee. Now, it's time to picture taking na po tayo together with Jollibee and Noah. Ayan. Kaya muna tayo ng solid picture together with Noah. Sige po. Alright, ready, Noah? Ready? Ready and 1, 2, 3, smile. 1 more, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, together with Mommy and Daddy naman po. Tsaka si ate. Alright guys, get ready and 1, 2, 3, smile guys. 1 more, 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, walkie, 1, 2, 3, walkie.
No. Bela ka dun.
Alright, here go me. Alright, tabi ka na po ba lahat ng kids? Mga mga kids? Guys, yung mga hindi pa nakigyan. Dito na tayo sa harap. Again, ready and 1, 2, 3, smile guys. Yeah. Ay, lang mo naman hindi nabigyan sa mga kids natin.
Wow!
Alright, yung mga gusto pa po magpa-picture, together with Jollibee and Bunga. Pwede pa po tayo magpa-picture guys, habang nandito pa po ang ating best friends. Go!
Ay, this time.
Ayan, nabigyan na po ba lahat ng kids natin? Alright, Jollibee, last speaker natin lang sa mga photoboard natin. Jollibee, no? Sige po. Ayan. Alright, wait na po. Yung may plate number daw po na 1184. May lalabas lang daw po sa literal. Ayan, sa parking po. 1184 daw po na plate number. Ayan, ready guys? And 1, 2, 3, smile guys.
You like it? Palangke? You like palangke?
Stop playing like it. I wanna make you sweat until you're soaking wet. I'll make you forget. So just forget the rest. When you can have the best.
Daw. Depende. Okay, okay.
Stop playing. What's the matter?
Wagi! Bye-bye, Te. Bye-bye. Picture pa tayo. Ay, picture ko lang po sa
Ilang ko ba?
ay, dito po sa gitna. Ayan. Dito tayo. Picture mo. Wait lang po, sir.
Ate, alin po?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Noah. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Noah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Picture ba?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wagi! 1, 2, 3. Stop.
Yay, thank you.
Music movie with you.